Former Strictly Come Dancing professional James Jordan has weighed in on the future of this year's series after admitting he was gutted to see Nigel Harman leave the show last night. The casualty actor, 50, was forced to exit the BBC competition alongside dance partner Katya Jones, 34, on medical grounds, with the news breaking just hours before couples took to the dance floor for Musicals Week. The pair were due to perform at Charleston to step in time from Mary Poppins for the live quarter-finals, but it became impossible after Nigel sustained an injury. A spokesperson for the BBC told Express.co.uk, "Unfortunately, Nigel has sustained an injury which means he is unable to perform in tonight's show and has had to withdraw from Strictly." James, 45, took to X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, to share his verdict on what this meant for the show going forward in view of his 361,700 followers. "Just read the news about Nigel pulling out of Strictly due to injury," he wrote. "Gutted for him and Katya. They have produced some amazing dances this year and been a big part of this series. The show will not be as good without them," he added, before asking, also, at what point do the couples not get a bye? At the beginning of last night's show, Strictly hosts Tess Daly and Claudia Winkleman addressed Nigel's departure, before revealing what it would mean for this week's results. "As you can see, we only have 4 couples," Tess revealed, before adding, "Unfortunately, Nigel has sustained an injury, which means he is unable to perform on tonight's show and has had to withdraw from the competition." She then said, "We are as devastated as he is, but Nigel and Katya will be chatting to us later on in the show."